Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My group will present about future direction of wireless technology. Okay, for wireless technology, it will continue to improve. The companies that make this wireless technology will focus on making advancements in areas such as speed, dependability, and security. For the speed, the future of wireless network will be much faster than today's technology. This increased speed will enable wireless connectivity to become a part of more areas of our life and power advanced or data-hungry application. For the dependability, wireless network will also become more reliable as technologies improve. This will be crucial as we begin using more wireless devices for applications like self-driving cars, physical security, and medical care. For the security is a significant issue in the world of wireless technology, especially with the emergence of IoT tech. Wireless company will place significant focus in this area in the future. Okay, so 5G is not a very future wireless, but not also a very present technology that we commonly use. Okay, so 5G is as compared to previous generation of network, this new generation of wireless is expect to offer more speed, lower latency, and ability to connect more devices, such as IoT device. Speed of 1 gigabit per second are expected to be typical, but it could potentially get as fast as 10 gigabit per second. 5G will run on two different kinds of frequency. Low frequency 5G will use existing Wi-Fi and cellular bands and get its speed from more flexible encoding and larger channel size. Other type of 5G will run at frequency at as high as 28 to 39 GHz, which are not currently heavily used. To offering faster speed and other consumer benefit, 5G is seen as crucial to advanced technology like IoT and virtual reality (VR), which require high amount of speed and bandwidth. Okay, for 6G, even though 5G is just now being introduced, the industry is already preparing for the next generation of technology, 6G. The Center for Converged Terahertz Communication and Sensing Center, part of the Semiconductor Research Corporation, is researching the radio technology that will enable the sixth generation of wireless tech. The 6G network Center says will operate at frequencies of 100 GHz to 1 terahertz and offer speed of up to 100 gigabit per second with very low latency. According to the researcher, 6G will be able to handle hundreds or even thousands of simultaneous connections. Overall, the system should be able to offer more capacity with lower power requirement.
Okay, for the next future wireless technology is by using massive MIMO antennas. First, massive multiple input or MIMO antennas will be an important technology for enabling 5G and eventually 6G networks. Instead of having just a few antennas at each end of a link, a massive MIMO system has a much larger number of antennas. This will enable multiple signals to travel over the same radio channel at the same time, meaning that the capacity of the system is much higher. With massive MIMO technology, we can scale the system theoretically as large as we need it to go. It was previously thought that wireless data had capacity limits, but according to researchers from the Swedish Linköping University, there are no limits when using massive MIMO. To get more capacity, we need to simply add more antennas. Okay, next is the future of LTE. LTE is a standard used for high-speed wireless communications and describes the path toward achieving true 4G speeds. LTE is today, along with LTE Advanced or LTE-A, and also LTE-A Pro, is part of the 4G LTE system. These technologies help handle capacity, demands and also will increase speed. They will also act as a stepping stone to 5G by inching speeds closer to what will be possible with the fifth generation of wireless connectivity tech. As 5G begins to roll out, LTE technologies will fill in the gaps where coverage doesn't exist yet. So 4G will play a similar role.
So continue on the next future wireless. So this one is Li-Fi. Li-Fi is another exciting future technology which is similar to Wi-Fi but use visible light wave instead of radio wave to send data. Researchers at the University of Edinburgh have worked to develop the technology and it has been tested at a factory in Estonia. So by using this Li-Fi, it will be advantageous which it offer increased speed and improved security. Also in a lab test, it has reached speed of 224 gigabyte per second, and in the field test, it hit 1 gigabyte per second. So next is wireless charging. So right now already we have a wireless charging on the market. So but it not truly wireless yet because it require plugging to the wall. Then we use our device to put on a mat that the charger plug. So in the future, we're able to charge our phone without using any charger. Like the will be a power source that could be placed in discrete places such as ceiling and can charge multiple devices at once. So right now, several companies are working on this type of technology. So that's all from our group. Thank you.